Hello and welcome back to the course on Power BI. I hope you had a chance to try creating a similar distribution for balance, and I wonder how you went with that. And today we're actually going to create it in this tutorial together. So let's go ahead and create a new page called balance. And then here we're going to right click, we're going to select group, and for our balance bin size we're going to select let's say $10,000 because we're working with the thousands, so therefore we have to type in $10,000 here. Or you might have chosen to do 5,000 or 20,000. It's not really a big deal what we choose, because you can always change it and adjust it as long as it's somewhere in the thousands. Click OK. We've created our bins. Drag them over here and do the custom ID as well. Make sure it's on the count. And there we go. So there's our distribution. So you can see lots of people in this bank have lower balances, so up to 20 or up to $30,000. That's the predominant, and those are the first three tabs, and then it kind of drops off very quickly. So very few people have very large balances. And then what we're going to do is we're going to right away change this to a percentage of total. All right, and now what will we do? We can add data labels. So put this to every single bar. So 50%, that means like every second bar has a data label. Here we want every single bar to have a data label. Maybe increase the size to 12, 0 decimal points, so we can save some space. And so you can see these zeros over here. That's because it's just rounding down. And if you don't like that, you might want to add like 1 decimal point or maybe even 2 decimal points so that you can see that that's not exactly 0. I personally don't mind it, so I'm just going to have 0% there. What else would we like to do? Well, another thing that we can do is change the data colors. So this is for balance, and balance is money. Money is green, so I actually think this green is fine. You might want to change the type of green if you like, but I'm just going to keep it like this. And yeah, so there's our age distribution, and there's our balance distribution, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's very quick process. Once you know how to do it, you just create the bins and do the calculation, do the table calculation, so the percentage of total, and that's it. Maybe adjust some aesthetics, and it's ready to go. All right, so that was our bins and distribution for balance. And in the next tutorial, we're going to create another element that's going to go into our final dashboard. So you can see it's already slowly adding up. We've already got 4 really cool elements that we're going to put together. All right. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy analyzing.